Various sectors have different solutions in mind to the poverty problem. The labor group TUCP citing improvement in the economy wants increased pay for workers. The business sector rejects such an idea, suggesting instead that more jobs be made available to the people. There is also a suggestion that the government make available conditional transfers to small businessmen. More from George Bandola.
After the survey on poverty, different sectors have offered solutions to ease the issue. Trade Union Congress of the Philippines, the largest federation of workers' union in the country, suggested that a salary hike can best address the issue with workers getting a large chunk from the so-called growing economy. Spokesman attorney Hernan Nicdao says only the businessman gets the real benefit of the 6.6% GDP growth.
Kailangan po na ang ating mga kapitalista na kumikita naman ng maganda dahil sa magandang ekonomiya ay magkaroon ng tinatawag na sharing, lalong-lalong na sa ating mga manggagawa. Kagaya lamang po nung nakaraan, nag-file po ang TUCP ng wage petition muli, makalipas ang 1 taon. Ito ay upang magkaroon muli ng dagdag na kita ang ating mga manggagawa. Yun po ang malaking problema kasi, kagaya po ng sinabi ko, while sinasabi po na gumaganda ang ating ekonomiya, ibig sabihin gumaganda ng ating mga may-ari ng mga negosyo, dapat naman po maramdaman po ng ating mga manggagawa ang pagganda ng ekonomiya na ito.
Lawmaker Alan Peter Cayetano admits the same, but he recommended that a form of conditional cash transfer for small businesses should be given by the government alongside the conditional cash transfer for the poor. He relentlessly campaigned against price hikes, low salary, and unemployment.
Ang mga mayayaman negosyante, medyo nagiging madali, no, para sa kanila ngayon dahil nagbo-boom ang ekonomiya. Pero sa baba, hirap sila ni hindi makautang, no? So what we have to do is to create micro and small businesses. No?
But much to the dismay of the labor sector, a wage hike is not really needed for a country with growing population. Businessmen say instead of ratifying another wage hike, government should attract more investors. More unstable investors mean more unstable jobs. Senator Manny Villar couldn't agree more.
Kasi pwedeng ng kulang ang trabaho. Pero ito naman ay pwedeng i-adjust. At naniniwala ko na sa mga darating na taon ay aangat na yan at mababawasan ang ating mahirap. Pero siyempre, nakaka-worry yan at nakakabahala. Kaya talagang kailangan paramihin ang trabaho sa ngayon. Yun ang dapat bigyan ng pinakamalaking atensyon.
We are now trying to focus this on how we can help the poor sectors of our society. So that is why probably there has been some improvement, and we expect more improvements because we are trying to make the country as an investment destination. You like more investment, and these investments will really create jobs. You know?
For People's Television, George Bandola.